What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we have something that was first featured on this channel, one of the first products I used to review, and it is the solar water fountain. This is a new model. I actually got an email from the owner, and he wanted me to review this since I did a good job reviewing the one from last year. Alright, so we have two bullet heads right here, another two bullet heads right here. We got flat heads, 1, 2, 3 flat heads. And then we have the little stakes that you put on the side, so when you put it in your bird bath, you can center it. And here we have filters. So yes, this stuff do get backed up with algae. If you have water in your bird bath, it gets backed up with green algae. Well, there's two things you could do. One, they have an algae control that's in Lowe's. I never used the algae control, but you can also put a dab of bleach in there and you can live on by your day. Okay, here we go. Now, I never seen this is something different. And when the product is affected by weak light at dusk, it is normal that there will be non-spraying of water, and it will automatically enter the night work mode after dark. So yeah, they must have had some complaints. So this is how this thing works. All right, you leave it out, the sun keeps it going. Then when the sun starts to go away, it stops. So don't think that this thing just stopped working. The other models that I have, the night mode usually kick on around 8 o'clock, and it usually lasts until like maybe like the latest I had one was 11 o'clock. So let's take this specialty off, and I will snap a photo so y'all could see all that. I still have gloves on for when I was doing work on the outside. Right, so we take this off. So you guys, this is my first time having this type of model. This is something new that they have. It has the foam here. Okay. So the other model is way different than this. If I could find my other ones, I'll do a side-by-side comparison so you can see. This one is a little bit more beefed up. So I'm gonna show y'all this real quick with these stakes. You see this part right here? You got this part like this. You put it in. Twist, twist. Now it's in, right? And then you come over here. So you see these slots right here? It's slots in the foam. So right here, you put it right in the slot. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. So you see that slot right there? You put the lip on just like that. Push it in, and now there goes one of your barriers. So if you in your bird bath, you put this in the center of your bird bath, and you should have no problems. It should be center lined in your bird bath. So let's put all four on. All right, voila. We have all four on. All right. Now, when you change out your filter, it's this part right here, and it simply just comes off right here. So these are your filters. Once again, it gets backed up with algae. You will have to take it off. We have now the heads, and I will show y'all the heads working once we get some sun, because right now I'm losing sun because I actually got this product late. So I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow when we get some sun. Then I'm gonna show y'all all of the functions of the heads. Yeah, they pretty nice. It's an eye catcher, attention grabber. Neighbors love it. They ask where you get it from, and you know, that's it with that. I don't know the name of the company, but I will post up their name right here, that where they sell at their Amazon store. He emailed me and said, can I review this? So I'm reviewing it, and we are going to finalize this review. And there you have it. So that is without the attachments. As usual, I'm gonna go over the attachments real quick just so y'all can see them. Let's do the bullets since they already attached. Now with this model, it's harder to stick it in. The older models, you can do it with one hand, so that's good. So that's one of the bullets. And it is hard to get off. Oh, yeah. So this one is a little bit more tough to get off than the older models. This one should be the one where you go around. This might be the bullet. So it looks like you need full sun from what I'm seeing, because if I step into the shade, I mean if I give the solar shade, now you got sun. Y'all see that? All right. Let's get into the last bullet. And that shoots up pretty high. So some of the water leaves on me out the bird bath. These are hard to get on, and then they're hard to get off. That's going pretty high. Like really, really high. I know y'all can't even see it, so let me back up just a little bit. Y'all see that? So if you do this, I advise you to have a bigger bird bath, or get one of those little tubs that I had for ponds, because all the water is leaving the bird bath if you decide to use this nozzle. All right, let me change this out. Like I said, when you change these heads, it's a little bit hard to get out. Too bad they don't come up with a tool to come get this thing out. Okay, you guys, so this flathead, I'm gonna be honest, I've been trying to go at this for 20 minutes. This thing is hard to get off, so I can't show you the other two. I will have to figure out a way to get this thing off. Might have to use pliers or something. So if I don't get to it, then I apologize on that, but this thing is really hard to get off. But we don't really use this one that much. We use the bullets. So we use these heads because it's quicker and easier. All right, these type of heads. These ones we don't use that much. A lot of these models is hard to get these flats off, the flat heads. But you know, if I figure out an easy way to get it off, I'll put a video out about that. I'm going to let this go on, and then we're going to see what it looks like at night. What's going on, everybody? Right now it's 8 o'clock. So I just looked out here and the light was on. So I'm not sure if it came on between 7:30 or 8 o'clock. You cannot change the color that you want. This is just the way the colors are. So this is the sequence the colors come in. There's no button or anything to change the color coding. The light is pretty good. It's more bright than what it usually is when it's just the middle part shining. So I like this design. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please drop it in the description box below. Well, drop it in the comment section. And that's it. Catch y'all in the next video.